The first time I went rock climbing, I saw this wall and I knew that it was something that I wanted to accomplish and overcome. When I was 9 years old, I was diagnosed with osteosarcoma, which is a type of hard bone cancer. My left leg basically dead below the knee. My doctor presented me and my family with the option, and I said, let's just go with the amputation. The rest of my life since that moment, I've been cancer-free, and that was more than 17 years ago. My parents faced bankruptcy providing care for me in the hospital to get better. I knew that I wanted to use my law degree as an Equal Justice Works Fellow to help kids who also had cancer or other disabilities. Cliff was a kid who already had leukemia and had already survived cancer. Then he was dealt yet another blow when he had to get a heart transplant. That was when his social worker referred him to me for help getting SSI and Medicaid coverage. It's incredibly hard to believe that this child, after having already survived cancer, couldn't get the SSI and Medicaid coverage that he needed to get his heart transplant. So I helped his grandmother reapply for SSI. I attended their eligibility meeting with them, wrote an advocacy letter on their behalf, and got the SSI and Medicaid approved in less than 1 month. Hey, Cliff! It's so good to see you.
You're doing good.
Good to see you.
It's good seeing you too. 2 years ago, I didn't think he would be living. I am so grateful to have you as part of our life.
The last time that I had seen Cliff, he was lying in his bed as a patient at Arkansas Children's Hospital. It was right after he had his heart transplant. We didn't know what the outcome would be. I want all of the other Cliffs out there who don't have access to public benefits or income supports or an attorney or a medical legal partnership to have access to that. I relate to him in that he's faced so many setbacks, but he still maintains such an optimistic, positive outlook on life, and he has so many plans for his future. Because I went through that, and I had a moment where I thought, am I going to overcome this and be able to do the things that I want to do? Rock climbing gives me the feeling that I can conquer anything, and I've proven to myself that nothing is impossible.